Welcome to the Astonous Ship demo. In this video, you will learn how to schedule a pickup request. To do that, navigate to the Pickup Request Manager tab. On the right-hand side, users can see all upcoming pickup requests. New pickup requests will also appear here if any exist. The pickup wizard already has your default warehouse address pre-filled. You can select a different warehouse from the available configured options. Review the information. This includes the pickup date and the close time. Then click the Submit Pickup button. This will submit the pickup request to the selected carrier. You will get a confirmation number. A pickup request record will also be created. You can also check pickup availability from the pickup wizard. To do this, click Check Availability instead of the Submit button. This will show you all the available pickup slots. That's all for this demo. Thank you.